Demand for high-friction surfaces is growing rapidly in a wide number of industries. Surface Technology Incorporated has developed the most extensive selection of high-friction composite electroless nickel coatings to serve the needs of applications in the automotive, aerospace, wind energy, turbine, machining, robotics, medical, dental, paper, and many other industries. SDI's high-friction coatings are used on shims, flanges, bolts, connectors, clamps, collets, joints, belt applications, and more. These coatings work to increase the friction, grip, torque, energy transfer, and other critical properties of these applications. Friction shims are especially useful in assemblies and applications. Ready-to-use NiGrip CDC friction shims are available from SDI. These are available in standard sizes or custom designed to serve your specific application. NiGrip shims are available in steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and other base metals. SDI can also apply any of our CDC composite diamond coating to shims that you can supply in any size, shape, or base metal. NiGrip friction shims contain millions of diamond particles protruding from a uniform nickel alloy coating. These exceptionally hard diamonds grip into the surfaces of the mating equipment in an assembly and enable up to about 5x greater torque. Notice the exceptional uniformity of the diamond size and protrusion when the CDC surface is laser scanned. All of SDI's products are manufactured in our state-of-the-art, solar-powered, environmental award-winning facility. We serve customers around the world.